welcome to another video on my channel. I apologize for the camera situation. While I'm just trying to get that stuff sorted, I just wanted just put out some content for you guys. I know that I haven't been very consistent recently. Things have been pretty busy on my side. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song We Are Foreigners, and I know that you guys are looking for a Dender video, a Dender tutorial, but I'll show you the chords that I use, and you can convert them how you see fit. But then these are like the piano chords which I play, right? So we're in the key of A flat, key of A flat. So the melody line of the song goes like this, right? So we are foreigners in relation to Israel, to be born again. We are strangers in relation to God, creator, but now we are the sons of God. Alright, so there's another part there, but let's just start this part here, right? So you're playing a lot of basic chords here. So we are foreigners, playing a one chord, right? But then you look at the melody, it's playing like a 4. We are foreigners. So right, so you can do like a just keep it light. We are foreigners. So left hand doing a 4/6, right hand doing a 2/3/6. We are foreigners. Left hand can do like a 1/5/3 left hand, and right hand a 7/2/3/5. Or you can make it much simpler. So left hand is just doing a 1/3/5. Right hand's doing a 1/2/5. So you have options. Alright, now we're doing a 1 chord here. So left hand's doing a 1/5/1, right hand's doing a 2/3/5/1. So we're going to a 4 chord here, right? So it's going to A's, right? Or you can just keep it in relation to A's, right? So left hand's doing a 4/1/4, right hand's doing a 5/6/1/2/3. You can leave the 2 out and just do a 4/1/4, left hand and right hand doing a 5/6/1/3. Left hand string a 2 flat, 7 flat, 2 flat, right hand string a 3, 5, 7 flat, 2 flat. Left hand's now doing a 2/1/2, right hand's doing a 4/5/6/1. Right? Left hand's now, we are strange. Yeah, we are foreigners to be born again. So we are foreigners. Left hand string a 3/1/3, right hand string a 5/1/2/5. To be born again. So what I do here is I'm playing a 3. To be, right? So I'm rolling from like a 2/4/5 to a 6 flat left hand, and when I play that 6 flat in the left hand, right hand plays this 7/2/4 6 flat 7. Then right hand's gonna play a 4 6 flat 2. Left hand's then doing a 6/3/6. Right hand's doing a 3/5/6/1, but the 5 is doing a grace note into a 6. Then we're doing that passing progression to get to the 5. Right, so left hand's doing a 6 flat, right hand's doing a 2, 5 flat, 7. Then left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 2 flat, 4, 7 flat. Now left hand's doing a 5 flat, right hand's doing a 1, 3, 6. Now we're doing our 5 chords. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5. So what am I playing there? Right? So like a 5, 6, 7. Left hand's doing a 5 chord, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. 6, 7. Then left hand's doing a 6, 1, right hand's doing a 4, 5, 1. Alright. 2, 3. Now left hand's doing a 7, 2, right hand's doing a 5, 6, 2. We are strangers in relation. So still just doing your 1 chords. To God, our 4 chord, 2 flat chord diminished. The Creator, right? You pretty much just repeating the thing you played the first time. Now here we go, but now we are the sons of God. We play something different, right? So, but now, passing chord. Left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 6 flat. 1, 2, 4. Left hand's doing 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1, 3. Now left hand's doing a 2, 1, right hand's doing a 5 flat, 1, 3. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 2. The sons of God. Left hand's doing 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Then it resolves to that 1, 5, 1, left hand, 2, 3, 5, 1, right hand. Right? Then you just repeat that. Then now for the next part it goes, but now, oh, but now. Strangers and foreigners. Right, and then we were born by grace, by faith. We are the temple of the Lord. We are heirs. We are the sons of God. So let me break down what I'm playing there, right? So we're doing a 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, right? So why? Left hand's doing a 3 octave, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Then now left hand's doing a 4 octave, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. Back to the 3 on your left hand, right hand, playing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Right, just doing a 1 to like fill the gap instead of just playing a 3 again. Again, a 3 again. A 4. See, it's just repeating the same chords as before. towards the end. So you see, after I said we are strangers and foreigners, I'm just repeating what I played in the first parts. So but now we are no more. We are no more. Six passing chords or five. Just repeating the same thing you played before, right? Yeah, so that's literally the entire song there. Yeah, I'm hoping to get things, looking better for you guys. But till next time, guys, stay blessed.